Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore your Wix site visuals using the Wix Studio design library, complete guide step by step clearly. To restore your Wix site visuals using the Wix Studio design library, begin by logging into your Wix account. Navigate to the dashboard of the site you wish to restore. Locate the editor option and click on it to access your site editor. Once the editor loads, find the design panel on the left side of the screen. Click on the design panel to reveal various design options. Next, scroll down to find the design library section. In the design library, you will see a variety of templates and design elements. Browse through the available options to find visuals that suit your site's theme and aesthetics. Once you find a design element you like, hover over it and click the Add to Site button. This will integrate the selected design into your current site layout. If you wish to customize the added visuals, click on them to reveal the editing options. Adjust colors, fonts, and sizes as needed to match your brand identity. To preview your changes, click the Preview button located at the top right corner of the editor. Once you're satisfied with how your site looks, navigate to the top right corner and click Publish. This action will save your changes and make them live for your visitors. After publishing, consider revisiting the design library to explore additional visuals that can enhance your site further. If you encounter any issues, utilize the Wix support resources for assistance. With these steps, you are now equipped to restore and enhance your Wix site visuals using the Wix Studio. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.